How to hide any apps or add it again on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. For that, open up your setting and from here go to home screen, and under home screen you can see the hide apps and home and app screen. Now select your apps. For example, I want to hide this gallery option. Then find the gallery apps, this one, and press on it, set as hide apps, then press on done. Now if you go back, then your apps will be gone. Now back these apps again, so you have to remove from hide option, then press on done. Then you can see it's still not available here. Now go to your menu bar, then you can see the option, press on add to home. Now it's add to your home screen and place your position. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.